Hello guys, welcome to our channel Wahab Tech Booth. In this video, I will show you 7 ways to save money on car insurance. So let's start the video without any time wastage. First of all, the first is raise your deductible. Increasing your deductible, your out of pocket cost before your insurance will pick up the bill on a claim, can lower your premium. This move might make sense if you are not driving much right now, do not have a history of accidents on the road, or if you need to reduce your monthly cost to stay insured. Doing this could cost you later if you are not in an accident through, as you will have to dish out more money before your carrier covers damage. You should make sure you have enough money to pay the higher deductible if you do end up in an accident. Consider lower coverage for old vehicles. Old Older cars may not deserve the same insurance attention as your shiny new Tesla or all of the bells and whistles of a Mercedes type policy. If your car is on its last go round, you may want to cut out of collision coverage or comprehensive coverage for that vehicles, both of which cover damage to your car. Whether you should drop either coverage depends on the value of your car and the relative cost to insure it. Experts suggest that if your car is worth less than 10 times the annual premium, buying coverage for that vehicle may not be a cost effective option. One of the quickest ways to check the value is scrolling through Keely Blue Book online. For example, say your annual premium is 10 times that should be $16,000. If your car is worth less than $16,000, then it makes sense to lower insurance coverage for that car. The third is use public transit or carpool when you can. Carriers may offer discounts if you have a low mileage count, meaning you drive less than the average number of miles per year compared to other Americans. Typically, you have be considered a low mileage drive if you drive less than 7,500 miles per year, but that is not a bright line rule. What actually determines if you are a low mileage driver depends on what state you live in, your age, and gender. How much you can save depends on individual factors. In addition to the insurance company you sign a policy with, State Farm offers one of the cheapest monthly premium at $128 for low mileage drivers according to one analysis. If there is mass transit in your area, taking a bus a few days per week with others could make you eligible for low mileage discounts. If you don't have live in an area with mass transit, you might also consider carpooling to work or school to bring your mileage down. And if you transitioned to working or studying from home since the start of the pandemic and still have not shifted back to an in person workplace, contact your carrier to let them know and take advantage of any savings. And the number four is bundle your insurance policies. One of the most straightforward ways to save money on insurance is by bundling your home and auto insurance, meaning you buy multiple insurance policies from the same company at Allstate, Liberty Mutual, and GEICO. Each offer premium discounts for bundling. Depending on which policies and coverage you buy together, you can get discounts on your premium anywhere from 5% to 25% depending on the provider. Shop number 5, shop around for car insurance rates. Maybe you are working from home permanently and need less coverage, or perhaps you are returning to the office and need more coverage now. Whatever your situation may be, it's always a good idea to shop around to ensure you are getting the best rates, as other carriers might offer bigger discounts or lower premium in general. Number 6 is explore safe driving discounts. And the number 7 is find a less expensive car.